Well, welcome back to BRS here for Tuesday, the 25th, of July. And today's video is to make first an apology for the not having the volume up on the one about did on Saturday of taking apart the hard drive and robbing the batteries and getting all excited about neodymium batteries. And anyhow, went to the closet and got out Sunday afternoon after church. I got another PC sitting right here behind me out, and so I got one of the compact. We'll turn around here just a minute and get this thing going. But and then I had another Toshiba, but years ago somehow the hard drive went into another computer, and so that goes back together, just probably out to the shop, set on a shelf, and one day somebody will scrap it out. I guess they go after the gold in them things. Man, you got to have jillions of computers and a lot of patience to, I guess, recycle the gold out of there. But let's flip this thing around. Oh, yesterday was the CAT scan. Not too good of news. I guess lifestyles, of all of us, when we get older, we eat the wrong foods and, things happen. And but I got a call after I got the CAT scan late, and I didn't answer back the physician because I took a nap. I was tired. And this morning I called, and I'm going to be seeing an oncologist, a gastrologist, and up in here in the esophagus. Unfortunately, cancer has raised its ugly head, and it has wrapped around by the CAT scan. I didn't get to see it yet. Apparently, it's gone around almost 60 to 80% of the esophagus went down in the stomach and showing up in the liver and a spot on the lung. So, you guys out there, the first video I was doing it, please don't pray for me. I think I better change my tune. Y'all give Ole Bear prayers at night if you would. This old creator only started in December 2019, and I've not put much into this community, but I'd love to still be hanging around here 4 more years later and beat this. And with y'all's help and the help of God and church friends and maybe doctors can stop this, I don't know. But we're going to enjoy every day we can. And y'all, for supporting me, it's just been unreal. Now, my regulars out there, man, I tell you what, the outpouring has been great all the way through my venture on YouTube. And I appreciate it. I really do. Let's get around here real quick, and then I'm going to go over a creator that I found, and I'm going to put his link about these neodymium batteries. Don't have to tear apart all these hard drives. You can buy them on Amazon, eBay. But Amazon, you can buy 200 of them already the right size, and all you do is do the machining work. Put these in, and now looking for N52s. Vivor sells a magnetic chuck over there for under $200, $199 free shipping. All right. If I wasn't so interested in doing my own machine work, that would be the way to go. I mean, literally, time I get through, if I was a machine shop, those guys are out there charging $175, $85 an hour. It wouldn't be even practical. You wouldn't be doing a DIY project. So anyhow, I will put a link, and I'm going to give you Michel Uphoff, Uphoff. He's Dutch. So when you watch his videos, he even says in his about, his English is real poor and broken, so he has somebody else commentating for him, but he does a thorough job of how to build a DIY, a mag chuck, and it is phenomenal to watch. Now, some of the soft music that's on there, you know, you can fast forward through, but it's very thorough and detailed. So let's turn this around and show you what we got. All right, that's another Seagate that come out of the compact, and definitely got some usable heat shrinks in there. I will take this apart, and like old Harold over at the ARW said, you know, shoot, we can throw all this stuff, scrap, get out the steel and stuff, throw that aluminum in the smelter and melt it all down, but it ain't gonna make but a thimbleful. I'm gonna keep these around for the grandkids to play with, do something with. Anyhow, and there's the Toshiba. We'll button it back up, put it in the closet, and call it the end of our search. Now that I have 4 of these batteries, that's plenty to use around the shop, you know, wallpaper hangers, poster hangers. But if I can beat this cancer and build that plate of my own, the mag plate, I won't be using hard drive batteries. Yeah, I have to apologize. A little hard to talk with the throat like it is. All right. Anyhow, Michel, I'm going to pronounce this Uphoff, Uphoff, and over on his channel. And it's a recent build. And also in my previous video, I had said something about, well, you put a candle up underneath the plate right here. No. The gentleman that was saying that from over in India, these don't like heat. 175 degrees and it destroys, it ruins the battery. So I will end up putting them aside and milling down. Now that plate is non-conductive, and it is very good plate. Let's see, it is it's made out of nickel. I have my notes here somewhere. Guess I left them in the other room. Anyhow, they're made out, these plates are non-magnetic, non-conductive. And so when you have them two in there, it doesn't generate a electrical field around the disc. And but I'll just end up milling. I'm not going to bend these because those magnets will break. All right, we're out of here for July the 25th. Y'all think about Ole Bear, and we lost our Sammy. It comes up Thursday. She'll be gone a year. And Ben, we appreciate all the outpouring and all the creators during her bout, all the way up even through her passing. But let's hope that, good Lord willing, Ole Bear gets to stay here on the channel and be a part of the community for many more years. We're out of here. Come back. Please leave a comment below. And please share and help old BRS grow in 2023 and 24 and beyond. Good Lord willing. We're out.